Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is so exciting. It is Thanksgiving. So this is gonna be like a quick video. Let's just talk about how excited I am that it is finally Thanksgiving, but also how scary it is that it's actually Thanksgiving. Soon it's gonna be Christmas. It's crazy how fast the year is going by and how fast this month has gone by. It's already the end of November. But I'm just like, time's going by way too fast, and honestly though, I'm ready for 2018 to be over. 2019 is gonna be the ish. It's gonna be great. It is Thanksgiving, and if you guys hear anything like crazy, we have stuff going on downstairs, so if you hear anything, like just ignore it. Today's video is going to be some November favorites because like I said, it is almost the end of November. So I've come up with some of these items that I've been loving to death during this month, and I really want to show you guys. So I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys like the items that I'm going to be showing y'all. Stuff is kind of all over the place, but it's just stuff I love. So before we get started, make sure to follow my social medias and subscribe to my channel if you like me and if you want more of me. And if you're new here, hi, what's up? Thank you for clicking on this video. Hopefully you'll subscribe. Yeah, I think that is all I have to say, so let's just get into these favorites. First things first, finally got Kylie Lip Kits, and I'm so excited. These are definitely like my #1 thing that I've been loving this month. I've always wanted a Kylie Lip Kit, and she recently opened up like her cosmetic line in Ulta, and it was like crazy. So I literally live right near an Ulta, so you know, I hopped on that. I went there as soon as I could. I was like, I have to get these before, you know, it sells out for Black Friday. So I got two, and I was gonna get one, but I was like, no, I need two, I just need it. I got the shade Clove and what's it called, True Brown K, and I think these are in her fall collection from last year, I think. So so cute. I'm obsessed with the packaging. It's so cool and like just like nice and sleek, and it's just really cool. Mixing them together is like the best because it's like not too dark, but it's not too bright anyway. Mixed together separately, perfect, beautiful, love them. Next thing, I got these things. I've been loving these things right here. I've had 2 packs so far, literally gone through all of them, but I just got a new pack. But I've been using these all month, legit. I keep these in my backpack, I keep them in my purse, I keep them just hanging around my room, like anywhere, because these are so needed. I remember seeing these on Instagram and I was like, what? Like, I thought it was one of those things you had to like buy on those Instagram ads, but like no, I found these in Ulta. They're so perfect. They're literally like mini makeup wipes, so you don't have to bring that whole block of makeup wipes that Neutrogena has. You can just have these in your bag. It's just perfect because sometimes I'll be out and I just cannot stand the makeup that I have on my face at that moment, or just during the day. Maybe it looks gross, maybe it doesn't feel good. They're just perfect because there's just one, I could take it off and then go on with my day. So great, you guys. Love these so much. Next thing I've been loving this month are my Airpods. You guys have probably already heard of these. They're like freaking amazing, and it's so funny because when they first came out, I was like, why would someone buy these? They're too expensive, it's not cute and not like necessary. I don't know why I said that, because now I have them and I'm obsessed. I'm in love. I use them every day. They're perfect. I love them. I actually recommend these for everybody. I think everyone, it's a good thing to ask for Christmas, and I don't regret it. I love it. I've been using these like all month. This is the purse that I've been using for the past month. Okay, I'm gonna try not to say love. I'm gonna try to say something else, but like I really, like I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say besides love. Like, this is the cutest purse I've ever seen. Oh my god, I love this. So yeah, I'm gonna say love, it doesn't matter. Yeah, this is the purse that I've been using all month. Always will be a fave. It's so cute and sleek, and it looks so expensive, but I literally got it at Forever 21 for like 20 bucks. It's so cute, and it's like one of those like carry on. It had straps with it, but I was like, girl, the straps were like really ratchet, so I took that off, and now I just like use it like, you know, just carry it around like a little baby purse. So cute. I love it. Yeah, I really like Forever 21 in like the purse department wise. Like, a lot of them look really expensive and just like high-end and really cute, so that's where I go to get my purses. Next thing are these sock boots right here. Can you say baddie? Like, Oh my god. Guys, I love these. These are just like the baddie shoes. I got these from, what is it? I got these from Aazizah. I got these. This is like their brand, and I love these because the material is so nice. I've honestly been wearing these so much for the past like week, but yeah, so the material is so nice. It's like a actual like sock feel to it. It's really cute, and the heel is like block, so it's easy to walk on. So yeah, these are definitely like a favorite, and they're just like really cute in fall, like fall-esque vibes. Love that. Next thing is this perfume that I got from Urban Outfitters. I don't know if you guys can read it, but it says Acai by something. I've always kind of been into like perfumes that like with this like glass look to it. As you can tell, like I've used a lot of it, like it's almost done with, but I got this from Urban Outfitters. I don't know if I said that already. This is from Urban Outfitters. They have a ton of perfume, which is so cute. They all smell really good. This one smells so good. It smells like berries and just like happiness. I love it. And the bottle's so nice. It looks really nice on like my nightstand and everything. Like personally, I just love the bottle and just how it just looks. It's really classy and cute, so yeah. Next we have another bag, but this is like a fanny pack. I've hopped on that trend of fanny packs because I think it is so cute. Like I think that trend is so bomb. Like fanny packs literally like hide your stomach fat, and they're like really cute. They're like a little personal purse that you don't have to like carry around everywhere. Like I just love this. So this one is from Adidas. Yeah, I have nothing else to say about it except just like look how cute it is. I love this so much. Whenever I go somewhere like out, like on an adventure or somewhere, you know, I always bring my fanny pack. My last favorite is this coat. It is one of those cute puffy coats that are like really trending right now. I've been wearing this so much. It's like cropped. I don't know if you guys can tell, it's like cropped, and I love the color. I think I just fell in love with the color because it's like different. It's like a mustard, but it looks so good. It's so good. It's so fall. Like I feel like I have a jacket of the month. This one is definitely that, and the one that I showed in my last video of my fluffy coat, like with the IMG coat. Yeah, this one and that one, definitely my faves for the month, probably forever, honestly. And it has a little turtleneck, which is kind of annoying, but I just roll with it. I still think it's the cutest coat ever. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what your favorite item was in this haul. But yeah, I do hope you guys enjoyed. I love all of this stuff. I'll have everything linked down below if you guys want to go check it out and buy it. You know, I got you. I hope you guys have a happy Thanksgiving. This is probably gonna go up on Thanksgiving, if not the day after. So I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. I hope you ate a lot of food. I hope you got to spend time with your family. I just hope you had a nice time overall. I love you guys. I'm thankful for you guys as well. For my channel, I just love you guys. So yeah, have a great one, and I'll see you guys in my next video. It's gonna be Christmassy. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Bye. Love you.